السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم ریوائز کریں گے موسٹ امپورٹنٹ ڈیٹس اینڈ فگرز جو آپ کا پیپر ہونا ہے 20th اینڈ 21 آف جون کو، اسسٹنٹ پنجاب پولیس اولڈ کیس کا۔ اس کے علاوہ جو آپ کے FIA کے ایگزامز ہونے ہیں کسی بھی پوسٹ کے اگینسٹ، اس کے بعد PPSC میں ڈپٹی اکاؤنٹنٹ، اس کے ساتھ ہی چائلڈ پروٹیکشن ویلفیئر، ان تمام ایگزامز میں یہ ڈیٹس جو ہیں وہ بار بار ریپیٹ ہوتی ہیں اور ایگزام سے پہلے آپ کو ان کو لازمی ریوائز کرنا چاہیے، کیونکہ ڈیٹس اس طرح کی چیز ہے جو آپ کو بھول جاتی ہے۔ اگر آپ اس کو پیپر سے تھوڑا سا ٹائم پہلے ریوائز کر لیں گے تو پیپر تک یہ آپ کو یاد رہیں گی۔ تو چاہے آپ FPSC، PPSC یا کسی بھی ون پیپر کمپیریٹیو ایگزام کے لیے جس میں GK بیس ایگزام ہوتا ہے 100 مارکس کا، اس کی تیاری کر رہے ہیں، تو ان تمام ایگزامز کے لیے یہ ڈیٹس جو ہیں وہ بہت امپورٹنٹ ہیں اور آپ کو پیپر سے پہلے لازمی پڑھنی چاہیے۔ آج کے اس لیکچر کو سٹارٹ کرنے سے پہلے آپ لوگوں میں سے جن اسٹوڈنٹس کو بھی اسسٹنٹ پنجاب پولیس کے لیے کوئک ریویژن کے لیے شارٹ نوٹس چاہیے ہوں، کیونکہ کچھ اسٹوڈنٹس کا کل پیپر ہے اور کچھ کا نیکسٹ ڈے ہے، سو جنرل نالج میں جتنے بھی سبجیکٹس ہیں ان سب کے 1000 موسٹ ریپیٹیڈ MCQs ون لائنر فارم میں 2021 سے لے کر 2026 تک PPSC نے جو GK کے پیپرز کنڈکٹ کیے ہیں ان سے کلیکٹ کیے گئے ہیں۔ آپ لوگوں میں سے جن اسٹوڈنٹس کو بھی وہ چاہیے ہوں تو یہاں پر واٹس ایپ نمبر شو ہو رہا ہے، اس پر کانٹیکٹ کر کے آپ سیمپل ریکویسٹ کر سکتے ہیں۔ واٹس ایپ پر ہی سر آپ کو سیمپل کے ساتھ ساتھ پیمنٹ ڈیٹیلز وغیرہ بھی پرووائڈ کر دیں گے۔ اس کے ساتھ ہی FIA کی تمام جابز کے لیے، ڈپٹی اکاؤنٹنٹ کے لیے اور چائلڈ پروٹیکشن ویلفیئر کے لیے کمپلیٹ سلیبس کے اکارڈنگ ڈیٹیلڈ نوٹس اویلیبل ہیں۔ ابھی سے اگر آپ لوگ تیاری کریں گے تو آپ میکسیمم مارکس لے سکیں گے، جس کی بیسس پر آپ میرٹ لسٹ پر آئیں گے۔ اگر آپ نے ان پیپرز کی تیاری کو صرف آخری 5-6 دن پر چھوڑا تو ممکن ہے کہ آپ پاس ہو جائیں، 40 سے 50 نمبر لے لیں، لیکن میرٹ لسٹ پر آپ نہیں آ سکیں گے۔ سو جن اسٹوڈنٹس کو ڈیٹیل نوٹس چاہیے ہوں اس کے لیے آپ نے اسی سیم واٹس ایپ نمبر پر کانٹیکٹ کرنا ہے۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں آج کا جو ہمارا ریویژن لیکچر ہے، جس میں ہم نے امپورٹنٹ ڈیٹس اور فگرز وغیرہ ریوائز کرنے ہیں۔ فرسٹ ون ہے محمد بن قاسم conquered سندھ in the year 712 AD. First Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1526. Second Battle of Panipat took place in the year 1556. Third Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1761. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born on 17th of October 1817. Famous Battle of Plassey was fought in the year 1757. War of Independence broke out on 10th of May 1857. British Crown officially assumed direct control of India on 1st of November 1858. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established Scientific Society in 1864. Urdu-Hindi controversy started at Banaras in the year 1867. MAO High School Aligarh was established in the year 1875. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25th of December 1876. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born on 9th of November 1877. MAO College Aligarh was inaugurated by Lord Lytton in 1877. The first official census of the subcontinent was conducted in 1881. Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume on 28th of December 1885. Durand Line Agreement was signed on 12th of November 1893. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan passed away on 27th of March 1898. First partition of Bengal was implemented by Lord Curzon on 16th of October 1905. Historic Shimla deputation met Viceroy Lord Minto on 1st of October 1906. All India Muslim League was established at Dhaka on 30th of December 1906. Minto-Morley reforms or Indian Council Act were introduced in 1909. The controversial partition of Bengal was annulled in the year 1911. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined All India Muslim League in 1913. The tragic Kanpur Mosque incident took place on 3rd of August 1913. Historic Lucknow Pact was signed by Muslims and Hindus in December 1916. The Montague-Chelmsford reforms were announced in the year 1919. Rowlatt Act was passed by the Imperial Legislative Council in March 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in Amritsar on 13th of April 1919. Khilafat movement was launched in India in the year 1919. The violent Chori Chora tragedy took place on 5th of Feb 1922. Khilafat system was officially abolished by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk in 1924. The Delhi Muslim proposals were formulated by Muslim leaders in 1927. Simon Commission arrived in the subcontinent in November 1927. Nehru Report was published as Counter-Constitutional Blueprint in August 1928. Quaid-e-Azam presented his famous 14 points in March 1929. Historic Allahabad address was delivered by Allama Iqbal in December 1930. First Roundtable Conference commenced in London on 12th of November 1930. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed during the conference phase on 5th of March 1931. Second Roundtable Conference was held in London in September 1931. The British government announced communal award on 16th of August 1932. Third Roundtable Conference took place in London in November 1932. The pamphlet Now or Never, containing the name Pakistan, was issued by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali on 28th of January 1933. Government of India Act, which shaped later provisional frameworks, was passed in 1935. The provincial elections under the Government of India Act were held in 1937. The Day of Deliverance was observed by Muslims after Congress ministries resigned on 22nd of December 1939. The historic Lahore Resolution, also known as Pakistan Resolution, was passed on 28th of March 1940. British government announced the strategic August offer on 8th of August 1940. The Cripps mission arrived in India to negotiate political transitions on 22nd of March 1942. Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi on 8th of August 1942. The crucial Jinnah-Gandhi talks were held at Bombay in September 1944. Shimla Conference was convened by Lord Wavell on 25th of June 1945. Central Legislative Assembly elections in British India were held in December 1945. Cabinet mission arrived in India to discuss the transfer of power on 24th of March 1946. Muslim League observed Direct Action Day across the country on 16th of August 1946. Historic June 3rd Plan for the Partition of India was broadcast in 1947. The British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act on 18th of July 1947. The Radcliffe Award demarcating the borders was officially announced on 17th of August 1947. Pakistan emerged as an independent, sovereign state on 14th of August 1947. Pakistan became a member of United Nations on 30th of September 1947. The first state to formally accede to Pakistan was Bahawalpur on 3rd of October 1947. The State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam on 1st of July 1948. Father of Nation Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah passed away on 11th of September 1948. The UN brokered a formal ceasefire in the First Kashmir War on 1st of January 1949. The historic Objective Resolution was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 12th of March 1949. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan, was assassinated on 16th of October 1951. First official census of Pakistan was conducted in the year 1951. The elite state-owned carrier Pakistan International Airlines was established on 11th of March 1955. The one-unit scheme merging western provinces was implemented on 14th of October 1955. The first Constitution of Pakistan was officially promulgated on 23rd of March 1956. First martial law in Pakistan was imposed by President Iskandar Mirza on 7th of October 1958. General Ayub Khan took over the presidency and became Chief Martial Law Administrator on 27th of October 1958. The historic Indus Water Treaty was signed with India on 19th of September 1960. Federal capital was officially shifted from Karachi to Islamabad on 1st of August 1960. इस डेट को आपने दोबारा से वेरीफाई कर लेना है. मेरे ख़्याल में जो एग्जैक्ट शिफ्टिंग ईयर है वो 1967 का है. 1960 में कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट हुई थी. सेकेंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाज इनेक्टेड बाय रेगुलर डिक्री ऑन 8th of June 1962. Second major war between India and Pakistan broke out on 6th of September 1965. Tashkent Declaration was signed between Pakistan and India on 10th of January 1966. People's Party was founded by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto on 30th of November 1967. Field Marshal Ayub Khan resigned and handed over power to General Yahya Khan on 25th of March 1969. First general elections on a one-man, one-vote basis were held on 7th of December 1970. The tragic Third War with India and separation of East Pakistan occurred on 16th of December 1971. Historic Shimla Agreement was signed between Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Indira Gandhi on 2nd of July 1972. The current and third permanent Constitution of Pakistan was passed on 14th of August 1973. The second Islamic Summit Conference OIC was hosted in Lahore on 22nd of Feb 1974. National Database and Registration Authority roots began as a National Registration Act in 1973. General Ziaul Haq imposed the country's third martial law on 5th of July 1977. Former Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was executed in Rawalpindi on 4th of April 1979. Non-party based general elections were conducted under the military regime in Feb 1985. President General Ziaul Haq died in a mysterious plane crash near Bahawalpur on 17th of August 1988. Benazir Bhutto took oath as the first female Prime Minister of Muslim world on 2nd of December 1988. Pakistan launched its first remote sensing satellite Badr-1 on 16th of July 1990. Pakistan became a formal member of World Trade Organization WTO on 1st of January 1995. Pakistan conducted its first nuclear tests at Chaghi in Balochistan on 28th of May 1998. The military conflict between Pakistan and India over Kargil Heights took place In May 1999, General Pervez Musharraf dismissed the civilian government in a bloodless coup on 12th of October 1999. The devastating northern Pakistan earthquake measured 7.6 on a Richter scale on 8th of October 2005. Former Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto was assassinated in an attack in Rawalpindi on 27th of December 2007. Historic 18th Constitutional Amendment restoring provincial autonomy was signed into law on 19th of April 2010. Pakistan officially joined Shanghai Cooperation Organization as a full member on 9th of June 2017. The historic merger of federally administered tribal areas with KPK was finalized via 25th Amendment in May 2018. نیکسٹ جو امپورٹنٹ نیشنل اور انٹرنیشنل آرگنائزیشنز ہیں ان کی کریشن آف ڈیٹ دیکھ لیتے ہیں. ان میں ٹوٹل ممبرس کتنے ہیں. سب سے پہلے ہے یونائٹڈ نیشنز. یو این واز کریٹڈ آن 24th of October 1945. پاکستان joined it on 30th of September 1947 and it currently has 193 member states. Organization of Islamic Cooperation was created on 25th of September 1969. Pakistan is a founding member, joining in 1969, and it currently has 57 member states. Shanghai Cooperation Organization was created on 15th of June 2001. Pakistan joined as a full member on 9th of June 2017, and it currently has 10 member states. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) was created on 8th of December 1985. Pakistan is a founding member, joining in 1985, and it currently has 8 member states. ECO Economic Cooperation Organization was created on 28th of January 1985 as a successor to RCD Regional Cooperation Development. Pakistan is a founding member, joining in 1985, and it currently has 10 member states. Commonwealth of Nations was created via the Statute of Westminster in 1931. Pakistan joined in 1947, left in 1972 and rejoined in 1989, and it currently has 56 member states. Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) was created in 1961. Pakistan joined it in 1979, and it currently has 121 member states. World Bank was created on 27th of July 1944 via the Bretton Woods Conference. Pakistan joined it on 11th of July 1950, and it currently has 189 member countries. IMF International Monetary Fund was created on 27th of December 1945. Pakistan joined it on 11th of July 1950, and it currently has 190 member countries. World Trade Organization was created on 1st of January 1995. Pakistan is a founding member, joining on 1st of January 1995, and it currently has 164 members. Asian Development Bank was created on 19th of December 1966. Pakistan is a founding member, joining in 1966, and it currently has 68 members. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank was created on 16th of January 2016. Pakistan is a founding member, joining in 2016, and it currently has 109 members. International Criminal Police Organization (Interpol) was created on 7th of September 1923. Pakistan joined it in 1952, and it currently has 196 member countries. ILO International Labour Organization was created on 11th of April 1919. Pakistan joined it in 1947, and it currently has 187 member states. UNESCO United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization was created on 16th of November 1945. Pakistan joined it on 14th of September 1949, and it currently has 194 member states. Food and Agriculture Organization was created on 16th of October 1945. Pakistan joined it on 7th of September 1947 and it currently has 195 members. World Health Organization was created on 7th of April 1948. Pakistan joined it in 1948 and currently has 194 member states. International Atomic Energy Agency was created on 29th of July 1957. Pakistan joined it on 2nd of May 1957 and it currently has 178 member states. International Maritime Organization was created on 17th of March 1958. Pakistan joined it in 1958 and it currently has 175 member states. Universal Postal Union was created on 9th of October 1874. Pakistan joined it on 10th of November 1947 and it currently has 192 member countries. International Telecommunication Union was created in 1865. Pakistan joined it in 1947 and it currently has 193 member states. World Intellectual Property Organization was created on 14th of July 1967. Pakistan joined it in 1977 and it currently has 193 member states. International Fund for Agriculture Development was created on 15th of December 1977. Pakistan joined it in 1978 and it currently has 178 members. United Nations Industrial Development Organization was created on 17th of November 1966. Pakistan joined it in 1968 and it currently has 172 member states. United Nations Industrial Development Organization was created on 17th of November 1966. Pakistan joined it in 1968 and it currently has 172 member states. Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons was created on 29th of April 1997. Pakistan joined it in 1997 and it currently has 193 member states. Colombo Plan was created on 1st of July 1951. Pakistan joined it as a founding member in 1950 and it currently has 28 member states. Digital Cooperation Organization was created in November 2020. Pakistan is a founding member, joining in 2020 and it currently has 15 member states. Group of 77 G77 was created on 15th of June 1964. Pakistan joined as a founding member in 1964 and it currently has 134 member states. Islamic Development Bank was created on 18th of December 1973. Pakistan joined it as a founding member in 1975 and it currently has 57 member countries. International Civil Aviation Organization was created on 4th of April 1947. Pakistan joined it on 25th of November 1947 and it currently has 193 member states. International Organization for Migration was created on 5th of December 1951. Pakistan joined it in November 1992 and it currently has 175 member states. South Asia Treaty Organization (SEATO) was created on 8th of September 1954. Pakistan joined it in 1954 and left in 1973. It was dissolved on 30th of June 1977 and it had 8 members. Central Treaty Organization (CENTO), also known as Baghdad Pact, was created on 25th of Feb 1955. Pakistan joined it in 1955 and left in 1979. It was dissolved in 1979 and it had 5 members. Regional Cooperation for Development (RCD) was created on 21st of July 1964. Pakistan joined it as a founding member in 1964. It was dissolved in 1979 and it had 3 members. Inter-Parliamentary Union was created in 1889. Pakistan joined it in 1948 and it currently has 180 member parliaments. نیکسٹ جو امپورٹنٹ میٹنگز اور سمٹس ہوئے ہیں فرام 2025 ٹو 26 وہ دیکھ لیتے ہیں. فرسٹ ون ہے 55th ورلڈ اکنامک فورم اینول میٹنگ واز ہیلڈ ان ڈیووس سوئٹزرلینڈ فرام 20th of January to 24th of January 2025. 38th ordinary session of the African Union Summit was held in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and the date was 15th and 16th of Feb 2025. 51st G7 Summit was hosted by Germany in Schloss Elmau, Bavaria from 11th to 13th of June 2025. The 24th Council of Heads of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit was hosted by China in July 2025. 17th BRICS Summit was hosted in Brazil in October 2025. The 2025 Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting was hosted by Antigua and Barbuda in October 2025. The 24th SCO Council of Heads of Government meeting was hosted by Russia in October 2025. The 32nd Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Economic Leaders meeting was hosted by South Korea in November 2025. The 2025 United Nations Climate Change Conference COP30 was held in Belém, Brazil from 10th of November to 21st of November 2025. The 20th G20 Summit was hosted by South Africa in Johannesburg from 27th of November to 28th of November 2025. The 44th Gulf Cooperation Council GCC Supreme Council Summit was held in Kuwait City in December 2025. The 13th Ministerial Conference of the World Trade Organization was held in Feb 2025. 46th ASEAN Summit and its related summits were hosted by Malaysia in May 2025. 47th ASEAN Summit was hosted by Malaysia in November 2025. The 56th World Economic Forum annual meeting was held in Davos, Switzerland from 19th to 23rd of January 2026. 39th Ordinary Session of African Union Summit was held in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia from 14th to 15th of Feb 2026. The 2026 Nuclear Security Summit was held in Washington, D.C., USA in March 2026. 48th ASEAN Summit was hosted by Philippines in May 2026. 52nd G7 Summit was hosted by Italy in June 2026. نیکسٹ ہم ریوائز کر لیتے ہیں موسٹ امپورٹنٹ اینڈ ریپیٹیڈ انٹرنیشنل ڈیز. فرسٹ ون ہے انٹرنیشنل وومن ڈے از سیلیبریٹیڈ گلوبلی آن 8th of March. ورلڈ واٹر ڈے از observed every year on 22nd of March. World Health Day marks the founding of WHO on 7th of April. Earth Day is observed on 22nd of April. International Workers' Day 1st of May. World Press Freedom Day 3rd of May. World Environment Day 5th of June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 26th of June. World Population Day observed on 11th of July. International Nelson Mandela Day 18th of July. International Youth Day 12th of August. International Literacy Day is celebrated globally by UNESCO on 8th of September. International Day of Democracy 15th of September. International Day for Preservation of the Ozone Layer 16th of September. World Tourism Day is celebrated globally on 27th of September. International Day of Non-Violence 2nd of October. World Teachers Day 5th of October. World Food Day 16th of October. United Nations Day marks the anniversary of entry into the force of the UN Charter on 24th of October. World Diabetes Day 14th of November. World AIDS Day is observed on 1st of December. International Day of Persons with Disabilities 3rd of December. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed annually on 9th of December. Human Rights Day is celebrated to honor the Universal Declaration of Human Rights on 10th of December.